very best, bro.
So the car just caught on fire. What a nightmare. Look at this service. Right, what's going on, guys? My name's Alex Whittick, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm a little bit of a rush because I am running a little bit late, but that is no big deal. We are heading on over to Tommy's shop today. The Wheel and Rim Group, MK_Tommy always hooks it up with these wheel repairs. We're going to get this RS repaired so that we can mount it back onto the tilted TDI. And then tomorrow we're gonna head on over and we're gonna get this car aligned. So I'm really excited. Today's a busy day, and yeah, I'm really excited to go see Tommy. I haven't seen him in a while. Right now I got the Mark 6 pulled over right over here. And I'm gonna fill the tire up with that tank from the Mark 5, and go ahead and load this let's load this RS up. We're gonna be doing a 20,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure that you are subscribed, you hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I post my videos, and you follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI, and comment done down below. And if you've already done all the steps, you guys are great. It is right there. It's not the biggest crack in the world, but I'm running a bit late. Tommy told me at like literally probably like 11 o'clock today, yeah, come on through. And then I tried repairing this garage door, and the whole day kind of just fell apart on me, so I'm late. Place closes at 3, he's half an hour away. He told me to be there by 2:30, it's 2:10. I feel bad. Tommy, when you watch this, I'm sorry. Yes, my day is a shamble, but let's go ahead and fill this up and then head out. We got that at 40 PSI, gonna close that. Gotta close this. I gotta fix this garage door later on, nothing big, I just had to fix some sensors, but that tire's all filled up. So let's head out. Gotta take the daily to go fix the other daily. I don't even know anymore, but gonna back out of here. Almost just hit the TT. Last time I filled car was in February, and I haven't driven anywhere since because of this whole, you know, virus and stuff. So we're gonna head out now to go see Tommy. Give you guys a little Mark 6 POV. This, oh, look at this big truck right here. Nice. I made it all the way here without directions. I feel so special. It's really weird. This place is like right next to an abandoned mall, and you have to like you pull in from the main highway to come one way. But the way I came, it's really weird. It's like a ghost town. But Tommy's shop, if you guys are in the area, you might know the area. It's right here. He's just an employee here. I always call it Tommy's shop. It's not really Tommy's shop, but yeah, it's a real good place, and we're gonna drop his wheel off. Hopefully we'll see Tommy. Hopefully we'll see him, but I didn't bring a face mask, so I don't know if like they have to like wear a face mask to go inside, so it might just be outside. Got my wheel. The man, the myth, the legend. Yo, Tommy, give me a little foot ski right here.
Oh yeah, you know, elbow, whatever you want.
Elbows and feet, elbows and feet. Yeah, the crack is like basically the same as the last one, it's not as bad. Tommy loves seeing my cracked wheels. He gets a new one each week. Yeah, they're no
bro, that's a solid steel right there.
Tommy, you fixed the wheel the one day, and then I went and took the car out for a drive, and the very next day, that same day, like that I went out for a drive after we repaired it, that wheel cracked.
Damn. It's just like, this.
This man looks good with his wheel though. He's a happy man. He's got his AirPods and he's got his shoes on. Tommy's repairing his own wheels today, so.
You probably really see the green like hanging over.
Ooh, you can see the green hanging. Damn. Treat him with care, right, Tommy? Tommy's had the door open the whole time, so I just walked right over and started filming him. There's no welder right there too, but I'm gonna have to film it through the window. He's gotta close the door, because if you've ever TIG welded before, and like I always speak about in my other videos, when you TIG weld, you don't want any like interference from like wind or anything like that. So Tommy's got to get a nice clean weld without outside air, wind, all that stuff. So right now he's actually dremeling out the crack, so he has a nice area to weld. Real big opening now, and it's real defiant. And Tommy just V's that out, so number one, you have a lot of filler you can put in there, and then two, you don't have any, the crack can't spread any further because he opens it up and he put a nice rounded edge on it. So he's gonna get that all ready, and then we're gonna weld it. Tommy closed the door on me, but maybe we can get a good angle from the inside or the outside through the window. Blackout windows, so you can't really see anything, but trust me, Tommy's in there, got his weld gloves on, and yeah, he's killing it. You guys can hear that loud humming noise. That's what it sounds like when you're welding aluminum. It's got that real loud, high-pitched noise. And some people actually don't even weld aluminum because of the noise. Like really bothers their ears. Like if like you hit a chalkboard with your fingernails and that bothers you, like most likely that's gonna bother your ears. So definitely aluminum's got a sound to it, but Tommy welds that up really quick. Every single time I'm here, he welds it up in like 30 minutes. And that's demount, that's grind, that's weld, and that's wheel and tire mounted all back together, balanced, and you know, all ground down. So they do an amazing job over here. They always hook it up. I actually just talked to the owner, and he was a really cool guy. Seems really inviting, so he didn't mind me walking around in there and you know, filming Tommy grinding that and stuff. So it's a real cool place. And if you guys need your wheels repaired, definitely hit up the Wheel Rim Group or contact MK_Tommy on Instagram. They always hook it up, and I'm always super hyped. They do powder coating as well. This wheel's out here, it's powder coated, and I don't know what the return rate, around rate on it is, but they always just do it so quick. But as you guys can see, Tommy's got that all welded up right there, and I think he does it all in one shot. I'm not really sure how fast he does it, but I'm gonna walk away, wait for him to open the garage door back up, and we'll check it out. Guys, Tommy's got it all done. Look at this. This man just has to mount up this tire, balance it out. This is looking crazy.
If you want to see this.
Look at that, yeah. Wow. Tommy does the best work. You wouldn't even know it got welded. That is insane. Guys, now I'm sad. Tommy spray painted my wheel, and he just told me that Vinny.
Enamel, bro. It's enamel. It's good.
It's enamel, but Vinny was just here, and I missed him. You guys know Vinny with the Mark 7 Golf R. This thing is wild. I miss him dearly, but Tommy's trying to mount up his tire. Tommy loves mounting RSs because you don't even have to mount up the first side, just drop it right on. No cheetah needed. 1, 2, 3. Every single time, it's crazy. We have a 215/40 on a 10.5, and then it just beats right up to 60 PSI, no issues every single time. It's a decent amount of stretch too. I'm gonna stick some new weights on here. Tommy's gonna balance his wheel out really, really nice. Some people don't even balance their wheels out, which is absolutely insane to me. But usually I'm like 1.5 ounces out on this wheel, but sometimes it just measures out beautifully.
Weights on it.
I'm guessing 1.25 or 1.5.
1.5. So it's 1 on the outside and 1.5 on the inside.
Yeah, see, I'm right on the money every time. Tommy knows that. That's funny fact.
That's another thing. These stretch tires, you'd think that they would have like off balance, like by a lot. And like I put normal tires on normal wheels, and I'm putting like 4 grams on. I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah.
I'm like my stretchy boys have like half this.
Yeah, no, it's insane. Just like that, my guy Tommy got me sitting right. We're about to mount these on. Thank you so much, Tommy. You're the man. Remember, guys, don't touch hands. You gotta touch feet.
Elbows, don't, you know. Try your best, bro.
Try your best. Yeah, mount this into my car for me too, Tommy.
Yeah, I'll throw it in the trunk for you, bro.
I need the content, you know? I need the content.
I'll get your money for it, bro. I'll lift it up for you.
You're gonna lift it up in the car for me too? Oh, God, I feel like a king. Look at this service.
You guys are crazy.
Thank you so much, Tommy. You're the man. Walk through the shop right now, make sure everything's off. The powder coat booth is off. Get everything off. About to sound the alarms, and Tommy's about to lock this place up. Thankfully, he stayed open a little bit longer for me to get my wheel repaired, which is awesome of him and his boss. Real cool place. And if you guys want to hit him up, Tommy, turn around. Let me get that shirt real quick. Get that phone number and the name right there. Hit him up. They are the hookup for sure. Tommy is the best welder around. Uses a TIG 200 by Lincoln, which is a great machine in my opinion. And yeah, we're just locking this place up, and then we're gonna head out. Tommy's locked that up, and we can't leave without saying goodbye. So we're gonna wait for him to lock all that up, and then we're gonna head back home and get these wheels mounted up. And I am too excited. The man, the myth, the legend has locked this place up. He's got all of his stuff. He's ready to head home. What do you play? Warzone? Call of Duty?
It's like Call of Duty, Grand Theft Auto, you know.
All the fun stuff. He's probably gonna go home and play with Vinny. He's gonna get the gaming on. I don't even have a gaming console, but guys, once again, thank you to Tommy right here for always hooking it up, no matter what it is. Air fittings, wheel repairs. He's always the guy. He's a good friend of mine, and I cannot wait to get back to ripping and doing car things with Tommy. So Tommy.
Yeah, bro. That's it, bro.
Thank you so much, Tommy. Adios.
Peace out.
I feel like I say thank you to Tommy too much, but I really don't say it to him too much. He doesn't get enough thanks. He literally always hooks it up. He's such a great person. He's leaving with his bag, the Jeep, right now. That thing is awesome. It's a V8, a Grand Cherokee, I believe, and it's just so sick. It's bagged from the factory. Tommy's got a Jeep Patriot that's bagged at home as well, and Tommy's out of here. So that thing is sick. Let's head home and let's mount these wheels. Guys, we got the Yee brother passing us right now, 24 valve, and that thing was just moving. I wish I could actually say it was 24 valve, it was a gasser. I can't give him all the credit, but Joey's on the phone right now, guys. Joey.
What's up, everyone?
Guys, he is here. Joey, how's your day going?
My day's going awesome, ladies and gentlemen.
Joey's taking his final right now, but supposedly he has like 5 days to take his final, which is absurd. But we're taking him away from his final. We really don't care. But yeah, guys, that truck is a gasser, not a 24 valve. I'm let down. About to get home, and I'm gonna continue talking to Joey, and I'll see you guys at home. I got home like literally 15-20 minutes ago, and I'm just hopping out of the car now. Joey and I, we always get caught on the phone a little long. It was like 45 minutes on the phone, but I got this water container from earlier today. I already watered these plants, just watering that real quick. Got the hood off the TT earlier today, taking a few videos, but as you guys can see, this wheel is basically hanging off. This battery on this car is dead. This car won't start up and it won't move back. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe the battery's not dead. I'm gonna give it a shot. Lay this down. Now, let's go tackle this thing. What a nightmare. So it honestly feels like a joke, but it's not. It's really happening. I've got this jack nice and parallel to the vehicle, and it's the only real spot I can put the jack that's kind of safe. My goal is to get the car lift up about 3 inches in the rear, which will allow the front wheel to lift up, and we'll be able to remove these wheels simultaneously, get these reps put onto the car, so then we can put the RSs back on, because I don't want to put anything right there. It'll be all sketchy to mount it up and then try to jack up the car front, then rear. So we're just going to do it like that, cross our fingers. I'm going to put it in time lapse so you guys will see if it falls, but hopefully it doesn't. I got both these wheels on here. The car is still in the air. It looks awesome. I only put 2 of those lug bolts on in the video because Mama K came downstairs and she notified me that we got a package in the mail, and I'm really excited for that one. That's going to complete the hood exit part of the TT, so we'll get to that video later on in this week. So stay excited for that one. But yeah, so now that these wheels are on, I'm going to drop the jack down and we're going to head on into the garage and we're going to mount these RSs onto the TDF. Till the TDI is pulled outside. She's running right now just so she can fill up the bags. And yeah, we're about to go from this to the RSs, so let's check that out. We got the RSs all mounted back up on this side, and it looks, oh my god, life-changing. Honestly, life-changing. And I really want to tuck the rears. We're gonna have to figure out maybe something about that. I'm still in love with the whole fender lip thing, but after tucking with the stock wheels, I just love tucking. So we're tucking in the front, but I'm gonna go ahead, mount up the other side. You guys probably don't want to get bored by seeing the other side get mounted up. And then we're gonna check this car out. We're gonna go for maybe a little rip. Got both sides done. This side is done, all mounted. That side, as you guys saw, is done. Mama K just came home with some pizza. Oh my god, that thing is a whole nother animal. That X1 monster. No, but this car is all good. I'm gonna drop it down. I'm super excited to see how this thing looks on the ground once again. And the front control arm was loose, and the tow arm on the top was a little bit loose. So got some stuff tightened up, and now we can let her back down on the ground. Oh my god, so the car just caught on fire. Down in there, I just had to blow it out. This line, oh my god, usually it gets hot, you know, by the fuse, but it got hot by the battery, and there was legitimate flames. I didn't have a camera on me. Oh my god. I'm gonna set this down, try to figure all that out, and then I'll get back to you guys. Got the power wire disconnected from the battery. It was real simple. I just went down the fender well and got to it. And as you guys can see, this thing is just toasted. It's crisp, it's burnt. You hate to see it. The flames were coming from this thing. They weren't huge, but they were still pretty big. And there's just a lot of electrical tape here, and this was made on the fly, so I'm really hoping that I can kind of just splice this, maybe reuse this somehow. Let's get this all working. A1 once again. Just as I suspected, so this is the same exact piece I had always holding onto the battery. Go through the nut, you tighten it down, and you got a solid connection. Now, this thing is completely corroded and full of salt, road salt. This salt is the worst for wiring, and when you live in New England, New Jersey area, it's the worst. Anywhere it gets snow and gets salt, everything just gets corroded. So these wires got corroded, which created, you know, a fire. So this thing's kind of rendered useless, but tomorrow we are going to get the car aligned. I need this car to drive, and I need these bags to work. So I'm gonna go ahead, rip this thing apart, try to hook it, try to get the wires in there. I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna splice this thing, make something happen, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. I took my torch, did some of this, then I took that crimp, I split it, and now it's just, all these are just coming free. I'm gonna empty that out. I'm gonna bring it back outside, put the wire around it, crimp it, take some electrical tape, and it's gonna be good until we get the new piece in. Before I electrical taped everything back together, I just wanted to show you guys that I got it all crimped back on there, and it looks pretty good. I did go ahead and order a new one, so that's on the way. But for the time being, that looks good. We're gonna electrical tape that up. Beautiful. I can hear the pump going. I'm super happy about that. I'm about to head out. Let's see if we can get some flames coming out of the hood on Tilt TDI. Take her outside of the neighborhood for a little bit and head back home. Well guys, just like that, we are back home, and I cannot believe how well this thing drove and what a difference it makes between these RSs and the stocks. This car literally has got me so excited now, and today I'm just so excited because I got to go see Tommy, I got to get out of the house, I got to go to a shop, and tomorrow we're gonna get to go to another shop. We're gonna get this car aligned, and I hope you guys enjoyed the flames coming out of the hood, and I hope you guys are really enjoying the content. It's definitely starting to ramp up. We got parts in the mail, so we're just super excited, guys, and yeah, I just love this thing. I hope you guys do too. So make sure you guys like the video. Please share it to a friend if they might enjoy, and just keep smiling. Definitely comment down below what kind of cars you guys have been working on. We're gonna be doing that 20,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit that post notification bell so you know when I post my videos. Follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI, and comment down below, like you guys know. And if you've already done those steps, you guys are awesome. So I just love answering back to your comments. I love seeing you guys interact on the channel. And we're just gonna be much more content with this car, the TT, and who knows what else. So guys, stay with me, stay excited. See you guys in the next video, and yeah, just keep smiling. Don't even put you down, and just stay positive. Stay positive, get out of the house, get that blood flowing, and keep smiling. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and stay excited, because I am. All right, peace.